Talk about the production process. You say it's a rye whiskey and it has a blend, a cinnamon. How long did it take for you to get the taste just right?
Ooh, almost a year, year and a half.
Took about a year. Yeah, about a year.
Yeah. So we went through the process of finding the right master distiller to distill our product. Worked with him on a few different formulas to get the right taste. So ours is a 2-year aged rye whiskey blend, and it has cinnamon and allspice in it. And we wanted to make sure it was strong, but just strong enough. Kind of like the way I make my drinks, you know. You're going to get the kick, but you're not going to get that taste. So wanted to make sure you got that. So you got a 70 proof beverage and distilled 3 times. So we cleaned it up a little bit more. The more you distill it, the cleaner it is, the smoother it is for you. So went through that process, went through 6 different formula samples before we decided on this one. Actually, when we got the last set of samples, I called Ty and I was like, man, this one smells like it's it. He's like, have you tasted it? I was like, no, I haven't. I've just nosed it. Yeah. It smells like it's it. And then we tasted it and I was like, yeah, man, this is it. This is it.
Yeah. So I think you actually did a dance. We were on video chat. I think she actually got up and did a dance.
Yes.
Wow, yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
So